Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the term art worlds, which is a concept given by Howard S. Becker. Introduction. The term art worlds was developed by the sociologist Howard S. Becker, who provided a comprehensive understanding of how art is produced and appreciated in society. For Becker, art is not just the creation of a single artist, but is the result of the joint activity of numerous people. He emphasized that any piece of art invariably shows signs of that cooperation, highlighting the collective effort involved in artistic production. The concept of joint activity. According to Becker, the production of art involves a collaborative process where various individuals contribute their skills and resources. This includes not only the artists themselves, but also a wide array of other participants such as patrons, gallery owners, critics, suppliers of materials, and even the audience. Becker's idea challenges the traditional notion of the solitary genius by showing how interconnected the creation of art truly is. This perspective was first introduced in his 1974 work, Art as Collective Action, defining art worlds. In his later work, Art Worlds 1982, Becker expanded his earlier ideas by defining art worlds as comprising all the people whose activities are essential to the production of the distinctive works recognized by that world as art. He argued that art worlds are not only responsible for producing artworks, but also for conferring aesthetic value upon them. The collaborative nature of these activities means that the value and meaning of art are shaped by the collective efforts and agreements of everyone involved in the art world. The role of cooperation in art. Becker's theory emphasizes the importance of cooperation in the art-making process. This cooperation is evident in various forms, from the practical contributions of different individuals to the shared understanding and conventions that define what is considered art. The cooperation involves both explicit collaborations such as joint projects and shared resources, and implicit agreements such as the norms and standards that guide artistic practices. Producing and valuing art. Art worlds are instrumental not only in the creation of artworks, but also in attributing their aesthetic value. This dual role means that art worlds help determine what is considered valuable and significant in art. The collective action within these worlds leads to the establishment of standards and criteria for judging art, influencing both the production and reception of artistic works. This process involves a complex interplay of social, economic, and cultural factors that shape the art world's landscape. Conclusion. Howard S. Becker's concept of art worlds provides a sociological framework that highlights the collective nature of artistic production and the role of collaboration in defining and valuing art. By focusing on the joint activities and the cooperative efforts of various participants, Becker's theory challenges the myth of the solitary artist and offers a more inclusive understanding of how art is created and appreciated. Through his works, Art as Collective Action and Art Worlds, Becker has significantly contributed to our understanding of the social dimensions of art, showing that art is indeed a product of collective human endeavor. So this was the discussion on the term art worlds. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.